There you are.
Hello, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're talking about here is Karcher K-Series triggers and so on. Now, on the trigger itself, K-Series quick release system, you've got the yellow button on the trigger, and what you've simply got is the system itself where you've got the two alignments that align into the actual gun itself. So when you press that in, you need to make sure you're lining up to the system. Now, a lot of times customers struggle because hoses don't normally come with a swivel in, and that becomes an issue. So what I've set up here is a system, not the cheapest way of doing, but obviously it can be done. So what you've got here is a stainless steel swivel, fully stainless steel swivel. It's a 350 ST300 swivel. I've set these up. You've got 300, the 310, 350. So you'll see the difference. The 300 is stainless steel at the top, but this part is nickel plated. You'll see that I'm turning, it's not turning as easy as the others. You've then got the next one, which is the 310, full stainless steel all the way through. Now also remember as well as you look, you've not got, this is flat face at the bottom, so that normally goes into the gun side, up into it. That's why it's got the flat face, and then you put your hose in at this side. You've then got this one here, which is very, very free. Same again, flat face, so it would go up inside the gun. And you've got 3/8 female at the other ends on all these different size. So you've got your 300, your 310, your 350. Obviously they do work in price range, obviously. Now I've set this up here with a 350 one. So as you turn it, your quick release goes into there on the hose itself, on the Karcher hose. And you just simply clip this, it says, with it all turning, into your gun. You then clip your hose, quick release hose, into there. It does make it a little bit longer, but like I say, it gives you that benefit then of it all swiveling round very freely. So your hose isn't going to get tangled up all the time, mainly when you're running on a hose reel or something like that. Like I say, not the cheapest way. You could go, and we can set it up with the cheaper swivel, but that doesn't move as well and freely, and it's not fully stainless, isn't that one? That one's fully stainless, and so is that one. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and that's for the Karcher K-Series quick release hose system. Thank you.